New G63. Well, we say new, but they purchased this back in January of this year. And let's see, it's pretty bright out here. Hopefully this will show up. It's got a lot of wax buildup from back in January. This was new at the dealership this way. A bit more through here. More wax on the handles. And some on the rear step. A lot of wax buildup here in this crevice. Right through here. More wax on trim here. And a little bit more on this handle. Oh, success. No wax on one handle. Incredible. Some of the other things I thought was, oh, here we go. A little bit more here. You can check out, oh, here we go. Ha! This whole section. Dealership special. And then we have, check out the discoloration on the leather. And what we're looking at here, you can see it runs up through this edge. What you have here is where somebody had an applicator or a towel and they did it just like this. Through here. You can see where they hit it up in here. Wiped it. Same here on the dash. Full leather dash. How nice. Whatever was on the leather has been worn off of the leather on the driver's seat, so it's now very likely on some clothing. Check out the top here. There's our line. So nothing here and lots of goo here. And we can see in this area all the same. It has not received a detail since it was new. So this is how it came. We are in the first month of the first day of June. And so you do some real quick math, 5 to 6 months. Some buildup in these areas, pretty common. It's being driven, so of course it's going to be dirty. They've got kids, so you know it's going to have pretty typical kid stuff going on in it. Crumbs and all that good stuff. They're using it, they're enjoying it. Good for them. We've got more of the same. You know, I would not be surprised if it was not straight up tire dressing that was put on here. Yowzer. That is some nasty stuff. You can see there's even some that got on the satin chrome. Making our way around. Just normal dirt from driving and enjoying. Nothing uncommon here, but we'll get it all taken care of, even these little nooks and crannies that build up dust, dead skin, all that stuff that's floating in the air. Get all of this vacuumed out real good. Get it steam cleaned. More of our discolored leather here. a little bit up on the pillar. Let's see, got a bit on, it's kind of getting washed out, it's so bright here. Got a bit on this edge. Let's see, more going on through there. More of the same. And then, of course, the wheels. These matte finish wheels look really nice when they're clean, but when they get dirty, you know, standard fanfare right here. We'll get it all cleaned up, decontaminated, do a little polish work on it, and then we're going to cap it off with the Modesta ceramic coating and get it looking pretty all right. I am back with the G63. We are done. I'm going to have to be crazy brief because there has been some really weird weather recently where it looks gorgeous and then 5 seconds later it's a downpour. So I'll try to go over this briefly. The whole body was thoroughly washed, decontaminated. We applied Modesta BC-08 to the body. All the plastics got cleaned up where it otherwise had gobs of buildup on the trim. Anything that you see now is actual wear. It's not stuff getting left behind. Plastics look really great. I don't even remember all the spots. It's been with us for a while, so I don't remember all the spots that it had the wax built up, but I remember it was just about every piece of trim. We did paint protection film on the headlights, on the leading edge of the hood, on the leading edge of the fender flares on the front and rear. Of course, wheels cleaned up really properly. Wheel wells, same thing, look real nice. The interior, of course, got detailed. A very big part of this project was getting all of that junk off of the leather, and we got it all off. There's no oily anything left behind. Anything that's seen is wear, which I'll show in particular where the kiddos sit. You can see there's a lot of wear. There was that same oily mess all through here. It's now cleaned up and gone, and I have 3 little ones of my own, so I get it. They beat up just everything. This is not dirt, this is just where they wear it out. Same here. You'll see a lot of dents and little mini scars in the leather there. That's kids being kids. That's all that is. Rear leather seats cleaned up real nice. Same here. This had that funk nasty on it. Now it's clean and conditioned. It smells nice, feels nice. For insurance purposes, we don't reinstall seats. We don't latch them down, so happy to help them put them back in place when they arrive. Again, we put a lot of time into the leather here. It is real leather. It's not a synthetic leather, aka pleather, aka plastic. It is real leather on this interior. Well, we got this back in, but everything underneath cleaned up real nice. It's been with us for a minute. I say a minute, it's been with us for a number of weeks because the timing just worked out. So they went out of town on a vacation for about 3 weeks. And so it just lived with us. And I don't even remember. I just remember there was a lot pretty much everywhere, but it all cleaned off really well. and this was a big concern. All of it that was all through here. All of that cleaned off real nice. Very happy with it. I'm excited to put it back in their hands. They are first-time clients. Same with the steering wheel. All that stuff got cleaned up just from regular use. Really excited to see their response. Oh, there were a few dents. I didn't see it in the video originally, or when I did the original video, but there was a dent in the hood. There were 2 dents in the... Oh, it's starting to rain. I gotta go. Thanks for watching the video. See you guys around.